Hello there, another Brickright video. Today we are going to be doing cavity wall insulation. So this is the insulation, the 100mm cavity bats from Recticel. They're going to be going on the wall, that's what's specified on the plan. Now, before you do your insulation, when you're laying your block work, always make sure that the block work at the back is flush. So I can run my towel along there now and it's not getting caught up or hung up on any snobs. And your wall ties need to be in the correct place. On this job they're like 750 minimum apart and they're doubled up on each corner of the reveal of the windows and doors, okay? So your wall ties are in the right place, you've got no snobs on here, and then you're just going to need your tape for taping your joints, your aluminium tape, a Stanley knife, a saw, and your discs, your clips. They are going to clip all the insulation in place. Now you know what you need and what you need to do. Let's put some on the wall. So yeah, you can see it's all half bonded now like brickwork, right? When you come to your corners, you got this one going that way and then you overlap it with this one. See that on the corner? And then what you want to do is just draw a line down there so you can measure to it and keep that distance back there so you can put your cavity closure on when you need to close your cavities off. So yeah, we'll just put all that on now and then we'll show you the taping up bit and how these clip on as well. So the clip, there's like a little gap in the middle. See the little round gap in the middle there? So what you want to do, the easiest way to get these on, right, just hold that there above it, pull it apart, put that on and it's clipped in, and then you just push that to the wall and it's in place. So just put that on all of them there now. So there we are, you should end up with something like that. The tin foil, or I say tin foil, the aluminium tape rather, you can get that from Screwfix and I use the 100mm, and as you can see what I do is I just tape over the these little red clips. I just tape them all in because they are prone to coming off. So I just tape it all up. Everything's all lapped, all the verticals, horizontals, all around the corner, and I've now got a gap on there as well, ready for my cavity closure to go into. There we go, this is the other side now of the building. Same thing, I haven't taped these up if you're wondering because they it's not on the actual join of the insulation. It's just those are got to go in every core, so that kind of goes in the middle of a insulation bat, so there's no real need to tape that, but everything else has been taped. It's a good idea to tape them, as I said, because they do tend to fall off. So yeah, building control will be happy with that now. All done. I missed that one, so I got to do that one, tape that. But yeah, happy days. So there we go, there's your little insulation video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one, which will be bricklaying. So see you there. Cheers.